Namaste, flavor enthusiasts. Today, we're uncovering the secrets of a delightful dish, Chatpate Aloo. Imagine perfectly cooked potatoes infused with a medley of tangy spices. It's a burst of flavor in every bite. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm excited to guide you through this tangy and delicious journey. Before we dive into the tangy goodness, let's gather our ingredients. To make the aachari masala: 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon black peppercorns, 2 tablespoons fennel seeds, 2 tablespoons cumin, jeera seeds, 3-4 dried Kashmiri chillies, 1.5 tablespoons chaat masala, 1 tablespoon amchur powder, dry mango powder. For the tadka: 2 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, pinch of hing, optional, asafoetida, half a teaspoon Kalonji, onion seeds, 1 teaspoon white sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoons Achari Spice powder, salt to taste. To garnish: 1 tablespoon chopped coriander. To make the Achari spice mix, heat a pan on medium heat and dry roast coriander seeds, black peppercorns, fennel seeds, cumin, jeera seeds, dried Kashmiri chillies for 7-8 minutes till they start to brown and become aromatic. Transfer the dry roasted spice mix into a bowl and let it cool off. Add the chaat masala and amchur powder to the dry roasted spice mix and mix well. Add the mixture to blender and grind. Blend till a powder consistency. You can store this spice mix powder in a glass bottle for 4-5 months and use it whenever you want to make a aachari based recipe. Now let's start working on the potatoes. Peel potatoes. Heat a pan with oil on high heat. Add the peeled potatoes and shallow fry till it's golden brown. Now let's prepare the tadka. Heat oil in a kadai, wok and add the garlic, hing, asafoetida, onion seeds and sesame seeds. Fry for 15 seconds and then add the chili powder and aachari spice mix. Cook the masala for 1 minute on medium heat, then add the fried potatoes alone with some salt and toss it well. Every great dish needs a finishing touch. Garnish with a generous amount of fresh coriander for that burst of color and freshness. And there you have it, your Chatpate Aloo, deliciously tangy and ready to be savored. If you're ready to tantalize your taste buds, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more flavorful recipes. Enjoy this tangy and delicious journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!